Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is acrylic painting with me, Julie E. And today we're going to be working on an Artist Loft Level 2 stretched canvas. It is a 20 by 20 inch. And I have the backs all taped off. I've got it on my spinner. This is just an old canvas, but it's still wrapped, so it's not going to get damaged. It's all still wrapped and everything, but I'm setting that on here just in case I want to give it a little bit of a spin. And what we're using today is the Elmer's School Glue. Elmer's School Glue pouring medium, mix 70% school glue, 30% water, shaken to the point of insanity. We've only got 3 colors that we're using today. We're using the Artist Loft Soft Body White, the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in Black, and Pirage Posse paints, and that's Allen's Red Shimmer. Those will be our 3 colors. The inspiration for this pour actually comes from my bedroom, because those are the colors that I use in my bedroom. This is one of my pillow shams. So, yeah. I like those colors. I like those colors a lot. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let me get this started. I am wondering about trying one of Brian's toys that he sent. I think I might try this one, see how it works. I don't remember what it's called. It's got like a little area that you pour into, little holes that the paints come out of, and then I suppose they go down in here and create like little petals. Maybe I'll use that. I really do love this one though. This is the 12 petal one. I think I'll use the 12 petal. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to use the 12 petal. So let's get some paint down. I think I'm going to do a black and white split canvas and then do black, red, and white petals. All right, let me get that started. I will probably speed you up through this process. I think I actually want to do a Dutch pour now. Yeah. Well, not a Dutch pour, just a blowout. These aren't thin enough for an actual Dutch pour, but they're thin enough to blow out. All right. Let's try that. again. Hopefully it won't be too pink. Let's put a little bit more red in. Okay, let's give this a shot, huh? All right. Wow, I'm getting a lot of cells and lacing with the black over the white. Wow, okay. I want to put just a little bit right here. There we go. A little bit more red. There we go. Now, oh, that is cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Well, this didn't take us long, did it? Oh my goodness. I don't know if I want to blow that one out more or not. Yeah, I think I do. I want that one up just a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Oh, does that look like a black and red kind of orchid or iris. There's just something about this I really love. Oh, I hope it dries okay. I'm really loving this. Love, love, love it. Hey, I do not know if this is going to be dry in time for dry results. Hopefully it will be. We will see. Oh my gosh. I will bring you down in a second so you can see more of the details in this. Holy cow. Wait till you see some of that lacing in there. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Babe, you got a second?
Yeah.
Come here and check this out.
Yeah, that's pretty.
You like that?
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Won't that look pretty in the bedroom?
That does look nice. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, this is a short one today, huh? But check that out. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. Okay. Look at all the cells and lacing. Some people don't like it. I flippin' love it. I actually like it a lot. Look at that. How cool is that? Yeah, I'm loving this one. It's a keeper. And it has Sparky's seal of approval on it. So that means a lot. Trust me. To be able to get his seal of approval on a painting I do means a lot to me, because he gives me the God's honest truth about how he feels about things, which I deeply appreciate. No yes men in this house. So yeah, I love it. Okay, hopefully I will see you for the dry results. Hi guys. It is still very, very wet. There is no way this is going to be dry in time. So by the time I need to get this edited and posted. So yeah, we're just kind of doing a flyover and hoping that I do not drop my camera in the wet paint. That would not be good. I think it came out gorgeous though, and so far it's drying absolutely beautiful. What I will do is next week's Monday premiere at 4:30 Mountain Standard Time, I will go ahead and show you the dry results right in the very beginning of this video, so that you can see how well it dried. But yeah, so far so good. I'm really loving it, and again, I apologize for my sucky time management these last couple weeks. Yeah, things are only getting crazier right now with getting Mom's house all in order and trying to get it ready for sale, and then still waiting to hear back from the bank, and then start looking for the larger house. Meanwhile, still trying to pack up stuff for the downsizing and stuff, or, well, upsizing, really. Just nuts. It's just, things are crazy around here right now. So, yeah, we're going to be combining 2 homes into 1 home. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, guys, enough of my problems. Everybody's got them right. I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for hanging in there with me, and I hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving weekend, and I hope you have a great week to come, and I will see you again either Friday night for Fast Forward Friday night, or again next Monday. Till next time, guys. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.